Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Igor and I am going to help you take your career to the next level. This channel is all about giving you real, actionable advice to grow as a tech professional. Whether you are just starting out or looking to advance into leadership, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful steps to kickstart your journey to becoming a team leader. This is the beginning of many career tips coming your way, so stay tuned and don't miss out. If you are ready to take control of your career, tap that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's dive in. Let's be real, leadership doesn't happen overnight. It's what you do while waiting for that opportunity. If you want to stand out, here's exactly what you need to start doing right now. Number 1. Act as a leader. Start small. Lead a team stand-up, organize a sprint, or help resolve conflicts. Show your team you can guide them without an official title. These actions look small and easy, but they add up and prove you are ready to lead. So, next time there are an issue, instead of waiting for someone to fix it, step up and offer a solution. Number 2. Learn from your leader. Your leader is like a playbook. Watch how they make decisions, handle conflicts, and keep the team on track. Or even better, ask them questions. On next one-on-one, ask, how do you balance team performance and individual growth during reviews? Leaders love engaged team members. It's a win-win. Number 3. Develop essential soft skills. Great leaders aren't just tech experts. They know how to connect with people. Practice skills like clear communication, empathy, and conflict resolution. Here's a challenge for you. Offer to help a struggling teammate and see how you can support them. It's not just about solving problems, it's about building trust. Number 4. Build a management mindset. Start thinking like a leader. Take on tasks like updating a project roadmap or planning a cross-team sync. The more you practice this, the better prepared you will be when the time comes. For example, volunteer to create an agenda for your next team meeting. Trust me, it's a great practice. Number 5. Understand the bigger picture. Leaders think beyond their task. Pay attention to how your work fits into company goals or strategy. Join conversations outside your role. It's a game changer. Participate in company initiatives and actively seek opportunities to contribute to broader organizational goals. These steps might sound simple, but they are incredibly powerful. By acting on them consistently, you are not just preparing for leadership, you are already leading. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it with someone else looking to grow their career. And hey, drop a comment below. What is the biggest leadership challenge you are facing right now? Thank you for watching and subscribe for more career tips.